I drove a McLaren. I loved it. I have to be rich now, so Marc, let's do business and let's be rich.
Money.
T'es bien réveillé?
Oh, t'es con. Pare-brise, il est dégueu.
McLaren.
Merci beaucoup. Amazing experience. I drove a McLaren. I loved it. It's beautiful. The brakes are incredible. The power is... I have to be rich now, so... Marc, let's do business and let's
Give
be
me
rich.
your money.
Because now we are back in the Citroën creative technology and it's not the same feeling, eh?
Not really.
He needs to improve a bit the suspensions. Les suspensions, messieurs. Citroën Creative Technology. We are going to do karting after we eat. T'es trop concentré, toi. Hein?
Quand je conduis, ouais.
Bah, c'est bien. I'm going to be on my YouTube channel. Marc. 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 Okay. This is my rich friend. Look at his car. Oh, and beautiful girlfriend.
And this is your poor...
Can I see a bit the car?
Yes, you can.
Look at what a beautiful car, huh? Max, tell us something about your beautiful car.
It's not.
How is life as a rich person?
It's not that good because that car is actually cheaper than this.
Ah, putain, putain, putain. It doesn't have the, you know, like the doors.
No.
Mark, you are going to lose. Tell me again the thing with the heaviness.
The weight, it's like because it's a go-kart, it doesn't have that much power. You're gonna be a little bit slower if you're heavier. In theory.
So this is your excuse if I beat you?
This is my excuse, but I think between us it's less of a difference. I think it'll be good. We're almost the same height, so.
No, I lost kilograms because of diabetes.
I've gained.
Oh, lo, what a sexy French, eh? Take your time, we are not late. Woo. Macintosh!